Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today I'm hosting an event with Kang Tu, who is passionate and enthusiastic mortgage broker. She runs her own company called Vincent & Brown. And today we are going to talk about self-managed super funds lending and the lending environment for self-managed super funds. Today, to start with, I would like to make a disclosure that all information provided today is general information only, and if you need the personalized advice, you should contact your financial planner or the accountant.
Thank you for having me today. I'm very excited to answer all your questions, and I look forward to any further questions if you guys have in regards to SMSF lending.
Thank you very much, Cam. Please. My first question is, what is the current SMSF lending environment?
Currently, there has been an increase in SMSF lending. However, there has been a reduction in lenders. The major lenders have pulled out of the SMSF products, but there are many second tier, third tier lenders out there that are still offering great products.
So how many lenders do you have at the moment on offer?
I have a handful of lenders on panel, but again, as mentioned, there are many mortgage managers and second and third tier lenders out there that still have great products.
All right. In terms of SMSF lending, what is the current interest rate?
The current interest rate, depending on the product that you're purchasing, if it's a commercial property, we can be looking at 4.45, depending on the LVR. And then for residential properties, it can go anywhere between 4.69, approximately, about there, variable per annum.
Okay. So in terms of the bank's requirements, what are the requirements to get the SMSF loan?
Again, depending on lender to lender, some lenders require you to have a 10% liquidity post-settlement. Other lenders require you to have a statement of advice. As a mortgage broker, I always recommend clients to continuously update their statement of advice to ensure that they're getting the best investment strategy for their retirement. But again, speak to your mortgage broker because every lender has different requirements and underwriting standards.
So, if I already have loan in my self-managed super fund, is it possible to refinance my current loan in order to get the better interest rate?
Most definitely. You definitely should see a financial advisor and your mortgage broker to review your loans and it's still in line with your strategy. However, refinancing, you can refinance your self-managed super fund, but it is at a cost. There is a cost to refinancing, so it has to be a benefit to you to refinance for that lower interest rate. So having a review of your current self-managed super fund loan is advisable, and probably going to your mortgage broker to see what's the benefit to you if you did refinance at a better rate.
And the last question for today is, would you give us any tips how to get SMSF loan and like for sure, and how to basically make life of accountant and like life of trustee easier?
As mentioned earlier, SMSF lending across different lenders, it really depends on the lender and what you're purchasing. However, I found that if you have 50% funds available in your SMSF, say if you wanted to buy something for $1 million and you had $500,000 cash in your SMSF, that I find that it is actually easier to actually get a loan. However, again, it is dependent on each lender and your understanding of your investment strategy.
So basically what you're saying, the biggest deposit and lower LVR this is what makes it easier to get SMSF loan.
That's correct.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ken.
Thank you.
It was very informative. And all the details of Ken's is on our website and also
Down below.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.